Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying out the TGIN, which is Thank God It's Natural line. I've never actually used their products before, so I'm actually excited because I've heard a lot about their deep conditioners. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try they went ahead and sent me their REPAIRx line. I already went ahead and shampooed and conditioned my hair and deep conditioned off camera, so I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit about what I thought about the product. Which looks like this. And this is the Miracle Repair Strengthening Shampoo with black honey and coconut oil. Like I said in my previous videos, with shampoos, I'm kind of like, I don't really judge too much based off of a shampoo as long as it like cleans my hair. But when I do come across a shampoo that doesn't leave my hair stripped and dry, I do actually keep going back to those products. So this is one of those products that I would definitely keep going back to. Then I went in with their conditioner, Miracle REPAIRx Curl Protein Reconstructor, and this one has black honey and biotin. I used to take biotin pills, which is very good for your hair growth. And then honey I used to do when my hair was really damaged. As you guys can see, I said in my last video that I have heat damage. You guys can see these straight pieces right here that I'm trying to hide. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep using these products. I actually am very happy that they sent me their REPAIRx line because I need to repair my heat damage. So yeah, after I did this, which I left it in for like 5 minutes, I left this in, and then I went in with the deep conditioning treatment, which I love. And this is their deep hydrating hair mask, and it has black honey and coconut oil. So this is what I deep conditioned with. I sat with it under a dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes, rinsed it out with cool water. And then before we get into this video, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. It really helps out. And make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And leave some comments in the section down below. But that's it. Let's get into this video. So I'm going to go on with their Miracle REPAIRx Protective Leave-In Conditioner with black honey and coconut oil. And I'm just going to apply this to my hair before I apply the styler. I'm just going to put this much into my hair, and all of their products feel like really moisturizing. Like as soon as you apply it to your hair, it kind of feels like a butter cream, like really feels like it's melting. Like it's so easy to rake it through my hair. So this is my hair with just the leave-in in it, and you guys can see how defined and moisturized my hair is already looking. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the next clip. I actually did do a little bit of shingling, and so I'm just gonna show you guys what my hair is looking like with just a leave-in, again with shingling my hair. Next I'm gonna go on with the Miracle REPAIRx Curl Food with black honey and coconut oil, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit to the section because that leave-in already did a lot. Wow, so this is a very, very thick consistency. So I'm only gonna use a little bit and see at first and see where that gets me. So this is my hair with the leave-in and the curl food in my hair, and these are what my curls are looking like. They look very moisturized. The feeling of this product is amazing. All their products are amazing. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and dampen this section of my hair, and then I'm going to go in with their leave-in followed by the curl food. Last section, I gave you my all, and the very next day my hair is busy at away. So I'm going to go ahead and let my hair dry completely, and then I'll be back once it's fully dried. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, again, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.